Hello and welcome. I'm Rabby Hassan from Online Money Career. It's the second part of CPA marketing beginner to advanced. In this video, I am going to explain you what is CPA marketing. In my previous video, I explained that what is CPA, and in the second video, I will explain you what is CPA marketing. So let me draw something to explain you correctly and explain it easily. Okay, I just completed the drawing to explain you what is CPA marketing. Okay, let's jump into it. And okay, I will explain what is a CPA marketing, but first you have to know what is a lead. If you new in CPA marketing, you very new in CPA marketing, then you have to understand, you have to know that what is lead. I think you don't hear the word, you are hearing the word first if you are new. So what is a lead in CPA marketing? I in my previous video I showed that Mr. John is promoting the offer in front of his 300 Facebook friends, and one of his friend just completed the offer for Mr. John, and Mr. John get paid for the offer completion. So uh, lead is the Mr. John's friend who is completed the offer for Mr. John. If anyone is promoting offer, and one of your traffic is just go to your link, or go to your offer and complete all the offer, completed the offers instruction and terms, complete the offers all things perfectly, then the CPA website or CPA company is just going to pay you some money for the offer completion. It's called a lead. Okay, I know you just I explain it badly, so again I am explaining it, that what is lead. Lead is a lead is your traffic who is complete the offer for you. It's your lead in CPA marketing. So let's jump into our marketing, that what is a CPA marketing actually. So let me delete this. If you don't understand the video, if you don't understand that what I am trying to say you, then please watch it again and again, just because if you are new in CPA marketing, then you are never going to understand it at once, just because it's not a easy thing. When I am new in CPA marketing, then I watched said first time, second time, third time to understand what our teacher, what the video maker is trying to saying, that how it works and what is things. Okay, so jump into the topic, that is what is a CPA marketing. Okay, so this is Mr. John. And John have an offer to promote. I already showed that he already get our offer to promote in front of traffics to get paid, to get lead. If you don't watch the previous video, then just go to my playlist and watch the previous video. So Mr. John got an offer, and he is now sharing the offers link in Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Okay, he have 200 friends on Twitter, he have 200 followers on Twitter, he have 300 connection on WhatsApp, he had 300 friends on Facebook, he have 200 followers on Instagram, and he have some connection on Reddit too. and Mr. John is just promoting the offers landing page or offers link in those social medias to to get some lead. If if one of his friend or connection or follower is just go to the link and completed the offers and follow the all instruction and fill it correctly, then Mr. John is going to be paid from the CPA website. And the promotion is called marketing. Then so I just cleared the thing. That is, you get an offer, which is a CPA offer. CPA offer mean you get an offer which your traffic have to complete an action for you. So it's a CPA offer. Then you have to do the promotion for your offer to get some leads. The promotion you just started on Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and many other social medias is called promotion. So in total, it's a CPA marketing. You are doing marketing in those social medias to get some lead from it. So I just explained that what is a CPA marketing. I explained in my first video that is what is a CPA, and I explained the CPA marketing in this video. So you have to get an offer from CPA website or CPA company, and then you have to promote your offer in front of your traffic to get some leads. And the promotion is called marketing for the offer. So that's it for now. And if you're new in my channel, and please subscribe my channel to get more updated content. If you get some help from my content, then please subscribe my channel and like the video. If you have any question, then please make a comment. I will definitely reply to you, and I will try to solve the problem. You can personally contact me. My Skype is on the description box. That's it for now. I will teach how you can do CPA marketing, and I will explain many things, many interesting things, many expensive things, many knowledge including the CPA marketing in my next video. Till then, I'm Rabby Hassan signing off for now. Have a nice day.